Great. Did you guys have any questions on it?
I don't think so. I never think so. And then afterwards, I'm like, oh my gosh, what is this?
It didn't seem too terrible.
Yeah.
There were a few things I was like, I don't know for sure, but I think it'll.
Last week, I felt the same way, and I met with you guys, and it went well.
Yeah.
And then I went to the homework. I was like, what is this? If I know what they're talking about, what are they asking? I mean, that was my first time that I literally did an assignment, and I was like, I honestly do not know what I'm doing, like at all. I had it all blank. So I panicked. I was like, oh no. So I went ahead and I emailed our teacher and our TA. And she was like, okay, go look at my video. And I had looked at all the videos and it still wasn't really helping me. And I looked at her video and it made all the difference in the world. I went back, I was able to take the homework quiz and I was fine. But that freaked me out.
Yeah. That assignment was really hard.
I had never experienced that before where, I mean, I honestly didn't even know what to write. Like I had nothing. I literally could not even do it. It wasn't even like I couldn't do some of them. I couldn't do any of them.
Dang.
It was awful.
Oh.
I felt very.
It seemed so much harder than our group quiz.
Yeah.
So much harder.
Oh, hold on. I have to open this up.
Oh, baby. You're okay.
Let me pull mine out. Okay, I have mine open as well. And then I'm going to open up the SPSS stuff. Okay. All right, let's see. I'm just pulling up the SPSS files.
That's fine. That's kind of what I'm doing anyway. So.
Okay. All right. Oh, sorry. You guys, can you believe we're at week 7? I'm just so excited.
I just want it to be over with. I know that sounds really, not that I don't love you guys. I've enjoyed getting to know you guys. You guys are great. And our teacher's pretty nice. But this one has been hard.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
This class killed me.
Yeah, are you guys going to do summer semester, the short one?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm an idiot.
What are you going to do?
I don't know. Whatever my counselor tells me to do.
You should do the family finances one, because that's what I'm doing.
Is that what you're doing?
Yeah.
How much further do you have to go, Sophie?
So after that summer class, I think I just have 2 or 3 semesters. That's it.
Oh, that's like me then.
Yeah, so in the fall I'm doing the practicum and the psychology one.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that's all I'll take because I'm also doing one of those certification conferences for the internship. Right? Okay. I'm doing that option, and then the fall I think I just have a bunch of religion classes. I mean the spring.
I know it's hard when you can't just go full time. You know what I mean?
Yeah, like if I were doing full time, I could graduate in December or something.
Yeah.
But I'll just keep plugging along. Were you guys ready to do the quiz?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I can read the first one.
Yeah, go for it.
Okay. Okay, suppose we have a set of paired data. Let D equal X after minus X before. The null hypothesis is U, D equals 0. The alternative hypothesis, HA equals UD not equal to 0. The population standard deviation sigma is not known. Jordan collects a sample of size n equals 9 and computes D equals 2.2 and sample D equals 3.3. What is the value of the test statistic? Okay, so that's we're looking for T, is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And T equals the sample D, so 2.2 minus,
the mean.
which is 0, right?
I want to say yes to that. And then we have the standard deviation, which is 3.3, divided by the square root of n, which is 9.
All right, you guys. Let's see what we get.
All right.
How do you know how to do that?
What?
Sorry, my daughter just turned the TV on, like, intentionally.
Okay, what'd you guys get?
I got 2.
Me also.
Okay, I'm sorry. I am so behind. I'm still trying to get the numbers together. You guys have to wait.
It just seems so weird to not have decimal points.
I know. But then it says to do the 3 decimal points, right? So is it 2.000?
Yeah.
All right. Let us know if you got 2 also, Julia.
I'm just going to trust you guys. That way I'm not holding you guys behind, but I'm ready for number 4.
Okay, do you want to read that?
Yeah. The probability of obtaining a test statistic greater than Jordan's test statistic is 0.0403. Use this probability to determine the p-value for Jordan's hypothesis test. And then round to 3 decimal places.
Why does that just seem so foreign to me?
Yeah, me too. Hold on.
Let's see. Probability of obtaining a test statistic greater than Jordan's test statistic is 0.0403.
Okay. Is there wait, don't we use that other one that what do you call it? What is the name of that stupid thing? I shouldn't say stupid thing because it's very helpful. The app, the new applet.
Yeah.
Now that we know what T is, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
What would we put for degrees of freedom? That was like.
Isn't degrees of freedom just n-1?
Yes.
1 minus 1?
So
yes.
9 minus 1, which is 8.
Okay.
And then you want both the right and the left shaded because it's two-tailed.
Yes.
And then
0.403.
Wait, what did you get?
Oh no, I'm just talking to myself. Sorry.
Okay.
I'm just putting in 8 for the degrees of freedom. I'm putting in 2 at the T. And then the area that I'm getting is 0.0805. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Don't we have the T already? Like, isn't that what the 0.403 is?
So we're going to compare them. So say that's you know how usually A is 0.05?
Yeah. Okay.
I think what we're doing is we're comparing.
Okay.
Like this,
Right.
I think would be like, to me, this reminds me of that, you know, when it says, we've had a couple questions where it's like, the null hypothesis is this, the alternate hypothesis is this. And then the next question will be like, what if the alternative hypothesis was this? And to me, that 0.043 would be like the alternative one.
Okay.
But I don't think it's something we have to use in the applet.
Okay.
So what are you saying? Any
What did you
thoughts on this, Sophie?
T? Let's see. The T.
I don't know. I feel like we're supposed to use the 0.0403, but I don't know how.
Yeah.
Because it says we're supposed to use that probability to determine.
Wait a minute.
the
So
value.
are we using that as our T? 0403. Yep, that's what we're doing. Dang it.
Test statistic of obtaining. It's a probability.
Test statistic is another word for T.
Yeah, that is. Probability of obtaining a test statistic greater than Jordan's is 0.
What was it? 0.0423?
03.
0.04. Is it 0403, girls?
Yeah.
Okay. And so it says greater than, so that means just shade the right.
Mm-hmm.
Is that correct?
That's what I was thinking.
Okay, so now I'm getting 0.4844.
So what did you do exactly?
So I just shaded the right. I removed the shading of the left side. Then, of course, I have 8 for degrees of freedom. Then I went to the T and I changed it to 0.0403. But of course, when I enter, then it comes out to 0.040. And then I get the 0.4844.
Okay, so for T, you put 0.0403.
Right, and then when you click enter, it'll just make it 0.040, which makes sense.
That doesn't make sense to me. Don't hate me. So I just shaded the right of the 2. So if we have his normal probability of 2, and I just shade the right, the area is 0.0403.
Okay.
The number that they gave us.
So what is it that they want to know?
They want to know the p-value for Jordan's hypothesis test. So based on what I just did, so I just highlighted the right side, it equaled 0.0403.
On the area? Okay.
For the answer we got.
So then are you telling me the t-value is the same for this one as it was for the one before, so it's still 2?
It's still 2. Yeah, so
I'm getting the same 3. So hang on. Man, why do they have to make it tricky? Let's see.
So the question I'm wondering is, do we do the 0.0403 or do we do the double, the 0.0803, where it's both sides, 805? Since that is the normal p-value.
Well, is it a one-tailed or two-tailed?
It's two-tailed because our hypothesis having it be two-tailed.
So the fact that it changed to greater than 0.0403, that doesn't change it?
I don't think so. I think what they're trying to tell us, I think it's a hint.
Like if they increase the T, what happens kind of thing, or decrease it or whatever?
No, I think what it's trying to say is if you were just to highlight the right, you would get this number, but you're not going to highlight the right, you're going to highlight both.
Oh, I see.
That's what I'm seeing.
Yeah.
Okay, so then what is it?
I think it should be 0.0805.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting as well.
So you're going to, well, it's two-tailed, right?
Yes.
So why are you getting 0.0825?
No, sorry. Because if I kept the T as 2, so, and I highlighted the right and the left, and it was 8 degrees of freedom, the p-value should be 0.0805.
Yeah, that's what we had in the first place.
And then I said something to confuse everyone.
No. So didn't we have both sides shaded at that point? But you're saying shade both sides anyway?
We should, because our study, our alternative hypothesis is a two-sided study.
Okay, so well that's the worst hint I've ever had ever. That to be noted for future.
Well, I hope we get it right. If we get it wrong, then I have no idea. But that's
don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it. You're fine.
Okay, so
0.0805.
Well, it should be 0.081 if we're rounding. So.
Yes, that looks right.
Alrighty.
Man, that was
fun. I hope we get it right.
Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, for this one we have to open chapter 12, data A1C.
Okay.
And it says the next 6 questions need to be answered. And so I guess I will, since it's going to take me to it, I need to write some of this information down for myself. But let's see. Null hypothesis is the main is 0. The alternative is not 0. Okay, so it's a 2. That's a two-tailed. I know that. And the A equals 0.10. All right.
Oh, that's different.
And let's see. Hold on. I'm going to go over the questions really quick. It's going to ask us for the test statistics, so the T. It's going to ask us for the p-value. It's going to ask us the correct decision, basically, which we'll have to do that. Let's see, what else? I'm just trying to get what it's going to need from us. Okay, that's it. So let me go open it up.
Okay.
Okay, let me open this sucker up.
So we need to find the T.
I'm using the VMware.
Okay. So first we need to find the difference, right?
So we're going to do the test statistics. So I guess we will do that. Ooh, does anybody else read that? What does that say? Be sure the what? Sorry, my other screen just popped up in front of it. I didn't read that part. You guys see that where it says use blah, 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 and then it says be sure, and I'm like, wait, what did it say?
It says that when we're doing the test, we need to have group 1 minus group 2.
Okay.
So when we go into the transform compute variable thing, we'll do group 1 minus group 2.
Okay. Hang on a second. This thing will eventually open, I promise.
Come on, computer, don't freeze.
I know, that scares me when it does that, because then I'm out of luck if it does that to me right now.
I do not like that. It's frozen. How sad. No.
I know. No.
Come on, computer.
Okay.
Is yours frozen too?
Not yet. So you said it's supposed to be, okay.
I don't know what the deal is.
It's okay. I'll go ahead and do it. So this is what I'm doing. I'm going to transform compute variable, and the target variable, I'm going to head and I'm going to name it difference. Then I'm going to grab from the type and label, the group 1. I'm going to go ahead and take it over to the numeric expression. And I'm going to subtract that from group 1 minus group 2, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And do I need to put equal or something? No, right?
No, you don't.
I don't. Okay. So then I'm going to put okay.
Mine's just, it won't do anything. It's weird. I can get out of that. Oh, wait. Did it do it? It did it. It did it. Yay. Happiness.
Yeah. That's what it did to me last time around. That was miserable.
That was scary. Okay. All right. So I have the difference. Let's find the.
Do you have the column of the difference up yet?
Yeah, it came up yet. So now I'm doing the t-test.
Okay.
And the test value is 0.
So for the t-test, we go to analyze, correct? Compare mean.
Yeah.
One test sample. Difference.
Okay.
Okie dokie. All right. So now we need to go back to put what t is and what p-value is. So
0.407. So you guys got 0.407.
Yep.
677, right? We were from rounding, right?
No, 0.407 for the t.
That's close enough. And the p-value.
And then it is a two-tailed, so it's just 0.689, correct?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now I got to go back to my quiz so that I can actually know what I'm doing here.
Wait just a second. What did you get? Oh, okay. Never mind. I know what you guys are doing. Okay. 0.407.
Yeah. Sorry, I did that, Sophie, just because if I go back and forth, it'll freeze on me. So I've learned that if I can go by questions, I kind of know what the questions are, and then I just go back and plug them in.
What is the correct?
Okay.
So then when it asks about the p-value, I'm getting 0.689.
Uh-huh.
That's what I got too.
Okay. Cool.
Okay.
And then comes the English questions, as I recall. It says, what is the correct decision? So let's see.
Fail to reject.
Yes. Fail to reject. Because the P is high.
Keep the guy. So fail to reject.
Oh.
And then 8. Okay, so now it's basically asking us if we were to divide 0.689 by 2.
Oh.
Right? So that's 0.344 or 0.345, which is still, it doesn't change the result because it's still greater than that.
So we keep the guy.
So is it insufficient evidence or sufficient evidence?
We have insufficient evidence. The mean of the difference is greater than 0. Insufficient.
I think it's the insufficient evidence.
Is greater than 0?
Yeah.
Yep. The second one, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's what it is.
Okay, now let me see.
Okay. Oh, I already know what question 9 is. It's N, right?
Yeah, and it's always greater. Yay, one I feel very confident about.
Okay. All right, we got to find the p-value, folks.
Okay.
Of that question?
Yeah, of this next grouping.
Oh, the B one. Oh, okay.
Okay. So,
It's going to take me a little bit. Okay, there we go.
Of the B group? Oh,
yeah.
the difference or the difference of both.
It's for the difference, right?
Okay.
Yeah, for
I'm
B.
getting confused.
The B data. Hmm. Okay. Let's see.
Just to make sure, on the difference column, do you guys have 39, 22, 25? I realize I should have probably asked that in the other one.
Yeah.
Is that
Yes.
everybody has 39, 22, 25, 11? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
33, 9, 19.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep. So, have you guys gotten your T statistic?
Yeah, I got 3.7373, and it's probably
Great.
like it's slightly off of what your guys' is because I'm using a different program.
Okay, let's see. 21. No, that's what.
I'm still looking at my old one, so I'm going to cancel out of that because that did not help me.
Wow. Okay. So I put it in the applet.
Okay, so 3.737, is that for the T?
Yeah.
7.
Oh wait, no wait. Are we doing question number 10? Is the p-value? So the p-value is different.
Yeah, we have to do we have to go to the applet and put in the T,
Okay, I see.
and then we have to put in the degrees of freedom. And technically, it is on the sample t-test thing,
Uh-huh.
but I still like doing it in the applet.
Yeah. And did you get 21 degrees of freedom?
Yeah.
Okay. Catherine, this is not a toy.
Okay, so for the p-value for number 10, you guys got 0.001.
Yeah.
Yes. Yep.
Okay. It took forever for it to switch back to green. And then it asked if we reject it or fail to reject it.
That's a
So
reject it.
Low, HO must go. Fail to reject.
no, we reject it, right? Not fail to reject it, we reject it.
No, you're right. Yeah, we reject it. Yeah. Yeah.
No, that thing, it gets kind of weird in your head. I know I do it all the time.
Okay. Okay, so if we're only doing the right side.
Are you guys on question 12?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I just need to shade the right.
I'm not using the applet to answer this question.
Okay.
Do better with the calculations for whatever reason.
Well, you don't really need to.
Actually, it ends up, it's like the same as the other one. If the answer is the same, it's still going to be less than the other.
Yeah, the p-value decreased. Is that right?
It says the p-value increased. Oh, obviously it decreased. Yeah.
Yeah, it decreased.
Because it went from 2 tail to 1 tail, so we divided it.
Yeah, it decreased. What decision do you make? Reject?
Yep, reject it.
Yes, we're almost done.
Nice.
Is that right? Wait, how many questions are there?
We
Oh,
have
no,
9.
we're not.
Okay, I read it.
Okay, so question 14.
I'll go ahead and read it. Based
Okay.
on your response from the previous question, what conclusion do you make? When they say previous question, do they mean like?
Probably both.
Yeah. So we have insufficient evidence.
No, we have. We rejected it, right? So we rejected it.
So there is sufficient evidence, and then
So then there is sufficient evidence then, right? So that's the third one?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good, because
Yeah,
I can't
think
read
it's
that.
the
I
third
can't
one.
read that anymore. I feel a little kooky when I read it more than 5 times.
In general.
Okay, I'll read 15.
Okay.
Go ahead.
As we have seen, the p-value depends on the alternative hypothesis. In general, which alternative hypothesis will give the smallest p-value?
Well, the smallest p-value is either going to be,
Greater than or less than 1.
I guess it's less than, right? Wait.
That's one way to test it. Let's just go to the applet and just see what the
I think it
difference
might be the opposite, actually.
is. 0, 2. They're the same.
Yeah.
So,
Oh wait, what about it does not equal 0?
Not enough information depends on the problem?
I think so, because they're the same if you do the greater or the equal or the lesser.
Then, yeah.
Less than. So
I mean,
think the
unless it lets us both. Does it let us choose both?
Hypothesis, okay.
no, it doesn't.
Okay. Then I would say the third one too.
Okay, so question 16 is the 95% confidence interval.
Okay.
But tests are they talking about the last one?
Probably.
Yeah,
That's what
I think so.
Yes, you are here. So.
And that's the one. Hold on. That's the B, right? The chapter 12 data B.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, Cat. She's trying to get away from me.
Okay, I just was. Okay. So for what's the question exactly? What is the point estimate? Oh,
What is the what?
point estimate. The mean.
11.9545.
Okay. 11.9545. So
11.955.
yes.
I don't want to go back. Is there any other questions in regards to this particular so I don't go back and forth? So it doesn't freeze on me?
Yeah, we need to know the lower bound.
Yeah.
Okay, the lower bound,
Like 5 point something.
5.3025, so that'll be 5.303.
Okay. And then we need to know the upper bound.
And that's going to be 18.6065, which is going to end up being 18.607.
Great.
Okay.
Should be in the t-test.
Oh. Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh. Awesome.
Okay. So we need to know the margin of error. We could easily.
Just subtract the 2.
No, that's the. Oh wait, yeah, that is the whole thing.
You subtract the upper from the lower. So.
We use it, so that's fine. Oh, goodness.
So we subtract the 2 and then divide by 2.
Yep, 6.652.
Okay.
Let me go back to the page then. So I can input my stuff.
2. Oh, buddy. Okay. Anybody fill up for submitting?
6
Oh, actually, I'm still filling mine up because I just had to go back to it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
There. Has anyone submitted it yet? Because I'll submit it.
Why don't you go for it?
Okay. Good, we got 100%.
Awesome.
Yay. Happy
Watch me submit it and I'll have something else.
I like getting 100%.
Yes, that's always very nice.
Great. Okay. Awesome.
Okay. Good job, girls.
Who wants to be in charge of Thursday?
I can do Thursday.
Okay.
Catherine. Good.
Awesome. All right. We'll see you ladies Thursday.
Yeah.
Good. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.